Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're out at my MSI vinyl flooring installation, and we've reached a point where our last board in the row is ending on a diagonal. It's like a 45-degree cut that we need to make. We're going to show you a really simple way using a speed square how to make this cut, and you don't even have to get up and use a saw. So without any further ado though, let's hit it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So we're going to show you something a little more advanced. We're going to show you how to mark and cut an angled wall in place, one motion. So we're going to take the board. This is where we need to cut our board. So your wall is on a 45-degree angle there. And we're going to take our board that we want to cut, and just like we do a regular end cut, we're going to put it backwards. Speed square does all the work. Put the board in place where the two boards intersect. We take our speed square, we don't even have to mark it, run our blade down the speed square, which is now going the same angle as the wall, which in our case here we're making a 45-degree cut. Flip it over, snap it. That is all there is to it. Just install it like a regular board. Simple, to the point, and easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new around here, check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos from this job, the MSI project, plus all kind of other vinyl floor videos and reviews. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But we need your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share, tell your friends and family. But most of all, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.